Welcome to this tutorial on how to configure currency settings and cash on delivery in the SiteCliq e-commerce platform. These settings play an important role in how prices are displayed and how customers complete their purchases, helping you create a seamless shopping experience across your store. Let's get started. Click on Currency Settings from the General Settings dropdown to open the currency configuration options on the main page. This would then take us to the Payment Configuration section within the platform. Use the Site Global Currency setting to select the primary currency used throughout your store. Product prices, orders, and transactions will be displayed using this currency by default. This setting determines where the currency symbol appears in relation to the price. For example, the symbol can be displayed before the amount or after the amount. Use this field to define a custom currency symbol that will be displayed alongside prices throughout the platform. Although if you don't have any custom symbol, then you can leave this field empty. The thousand separator improves readability for large numbers. The decimal separator determines the character used to separate whole numbers from decimal values. Use the Yes/No toggle to determine whether decimal values should be displayed in prices. This setting allows you to choose the payment gateway that will be selected by default during the checkout process. These exchange rate fields allow you to define the conversion rate between the US dollar, USD, and other supported currencies. The platform uses these values when calculating and displaying prices for customers using different currencies. Ensure the rates are reviewed and updated regularly to maintain pricing accuracy. Click Update Changes to save all modifications made to your currency settings. And that's all for the currency settings section. We would now be moving into the Cash on Delivery. Select Cash on Delivery from the General Settings dropdown to configure this payment method for your store. The Cash on Delivery setting allows you to control whether customers can pay for their orders upon delivery. Use the Yes/No toggle to enable or disable Cash on Delivery as a payment option during checkout. Click Update Changes to save all your payment and currency configuration updates. And that's a wrap on currency settings and cash on delivery on the SiteCliq e-commerce platform. You've just learned how to manage currency configurations, control how prices are displayed, set exchange rates, and configure cash on delivery for your customers. Up next, we'll be diving into color settings and typography settings to help you create a store that reflects your brand and delivers a great user experience. Thanks, folks, for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.